Hi friends, welcome to my documentary. Now I am telling about how to do square roots. See friends, to do square roots, we need to know some square values first. 1 square is equal to 1, 2 square is equal to 4, 3 square is equal to 9, 4 square is equal to 16, 5 square is equal to 25, 6 square is equal to 36, 7 square is equal to 49, 8 square is equal to 64, 9 square is equal to 81. Okay friends, to do square roots, we need to know 1 to 9 square values. Okay friends, we can take the first question. Root of 484. Friends, I will teach you how to do square roots in just 3 steps. See here, in 484, the last number is 4. In first step, we can compare the last number with the square values. So, in this 484, the last number is 4. So now we can compare the 4 with this square values. So in the square values, 2 square is equal to 4 and 8 square is equal to 64. So this 4 is matched with 2 numbers, 2 square and 8 square. So we can write 2 or 8 in the unit place. Okay friends, first step is completed. Now we can cancel the last 2 numbers. After cancel the 2 numbers, the 4 is remains. The 4 is remains. Okay. Now apply the second step. In the second step, we can take the square number which is less than or equal to 4. See here, in the square values, 2 square is equal to 4. So the number is matched with exactly with 4. So we can take the 2. 22 or 28. The answer is 22, either 28. In the third step, now we can multiply the 2 with the number after 2. So now we can 2 with number after 2 is 3. So 2 3 is 6. Here 4 is remains. So now check whether 4 is less than or greater than 6. So 4 is less than 6. Now we can take the 4 is less than 6. So now we can take the small number is 22. Therefore root of 484 is equal to 22. If 4 is greater than 6, then the answer we can take the big number. But the 4 is less than 6. So now we can take the small number 22. Therefore root of 484 is equal to 22. Okay friends. Now the second question, root of 1444. Okay. First, in the first step, we can compare the last number. We can compare the last number in the square values. So, in this 1444, the last number is 4. So, we can compare the 4 with in this square values. So, here 2 square is equal to 4 and 8 square is equal to 64. So, we can take 2 or 8 in the unit place. Now, we can cancel the last 2 numbers. The first step completed. In the second step, now we can take the square number less than or equal to 14. So the square number less than or equal to 14 is 3 square is equal to 9. So now we can take 3, 32 or 38. 32 or 38 is the answer. In the third step, now here we can take the 3. In the third step, we can multiply the 3 with the number after 3. So 3 into 4, that is equal to 12. Here 14 remains. Now we can compare the 14 with 12. The 14 is bigger, the 14 is greater than 12. So now we can take the big number 38. So the answer is 38. Root of 1444 is equal to 38. Okay friends. Now we can take the third question. Root of 2209. Okay. First, we can compare the last number 9 with in the square numbers. So 3 square is equal to 9, 7 square is equal to 49. So in the first step, we can take 3 or 7 in the unit place. Now we can cancel the last two numbers. So 2 numbers is cancelled. Now the 22 is remains. In the second step, we can take the square number small or equal to 22. So in this square numbers, 4 square is equal to 16. 16 is smaller than 22. So 16 is equal to 46. 16 is equal to 4 square. We can take the 4. So 43 or 47. 43 either 47 is correct answer. So second step completed. In the third step, we can multiply the 4 with number after 4. So 4 into 5. 4 into 5 equal to 20. Here 22 remains. Now we can compare the 22 with 20. So 22 is bigger than 20. So we can take the bigger number 47. So the answer is root of 2209 equal to 47. Okay friends. Now we can take the fourth question. Root of 3481. Root of 3481. In the first step, we can compare the last number 1 with the square numbers. So in the square numbers, 1 square is equal to 1 and 9 square is equal to 81. So we can take 1 or 9 in the unit place. Now we can cancel the last two numbers. After cancel the two numbers, 34 is remains. In the second step, now we can take the square number less than or equal to 34. So in the square numbers, less than or equal to 34 is 25. So 25 means 5 square. So now we can take 5. So the answer is 51, either 59. Second step completed. Now we can apply the third step. In the third step, we can multiply the 5 with the number after 5. So 5 with the number after 5. 5 into 6. 5 into 6. So 5 into 6 equal to 30. Here 34 remains. Now we can compare the 34 with 30. So 34 is greater than 30. So now we can take the greater number. Now the answer is 59. So root of 3481 equal to 59. Okay friends. Now we can take the fifth question, root of 4096. Root of 4096. Now we can apply the first step. In the first step, root of 4096, the last number is 6. So now we can compare the 6 with the square values. So in the square values, 4 square is equal to 16 and 6 square is equal to 36. So now we can take 4 or 6 in the unit place. So now we can take 4 or 6 in the unit place. Now we can cancel the last two numbers. So after cancel the two numbers, the 40 is remains. In the second step, we can take the square value less than or equal to 40. So in the square values, 6 square is equal to 36 is less than 40. So 36 is less than 40. 36 means 6 square. So now we can take the 6. 64 or 66. The second step completed. Now we can apply the third step. In the third step, we can multiply the 6 with the number after 6. So 6 into 7. So 6 into 7 equal to 42. Now we can compare the 40 with 42. So 40 is less than 42. So now we can take the small number. Therefore, root of 4096 equal to 64. Okay friends. Now we can take the last one, sixth question, root of 5625. Root of 5625. So in the first step, now we can compare the 5 with the square values. In the square values, the 5 is matched with 25. So 25 means 5 square. So now we can take 5. Now we can take 5 in the unit place. First step completed. Now we can cancel the last two numbers. Okay, after cancel the two numbers, the 56 is remains. Now we can apply the second step. In the second step, now we can take the square number less than or equal to 56. So in the square numbers, 7 square is equal to 49. So 49 is less than 56. So 49 means 7 square. So we can take 7. So the answer is 75. Therefore, root of 625 equal to 75. Okay friends, if you like this video, please subscribe my channel and press on the bell icon. Thank you friends.